y'all, it's me, JT. I came back in here at Family Dollar to use like my sister and my dad's phone number because they were so graciously nice to let me do so. So this trip was not planned because I didn't count on them saying yes. So we came in here to get the deals that we did the other day, but lo and behold, there's no more gains. I knew I should have got them that night, but it's okay. They don't have the little squeeze gain that's on sale, or that's cheap rather, because I think it's $3 and the coupon is $3, or it's $3.30 and the coupon is $3. They don't have any, unfortunately, but again, I did grab some the other day. Now the coupon where it had the palm olive that was like $3.50 off of 2 or $3.30 off of 2, something strange like that, they don't have it anymore. It's not in my app anymore. It's not in my sister's app, my dad. So I think they probably took it away. But these are still on sale. I know these back here are like $1.10, $1.30, $1.45. I'm not sure about these. I still think that they're a good price. I know for a fact these are on sale. I can't remember. So refer to my other video so you can see a breakdown of the pricing. So we're not going to get the palm olive or the gain. We're not going to worry about that because we know it's not here. It's going to be different at every store because every store's inventory is different. Every part of, like everybody's neighborhood is different. The couponing community is different everywhere you go. So just be aware of that when you go in here and go shopping or in any store. What you see other people do, you may not be able to do because of inventory. Other couponers may have gotten in there before you and so forth. But we are going to get some Febreze, but we're going to get the car scent ones. The single car scent ones. Let me be specific. We're not going to get the double one. So this one here, we're not going to get that. We're going to get a single one, which I had trouble finding mine. I've already did my transaction, but I was like, I didn't record and let the people know. So we are going to grab this. This is $3.30. There is a $2 digital, a $2.30 digital, if I'm correct, which will make this like $1.08 with tax, because that's how much I pay for mine. So give or take about $1, $1.15, depending on where you stay. So grab one of these. Then again, we're going to head over here. I already said there's the gain squeezy thing is not here. And then I personally don't have the palm olive coupon anymore. You may, but I don't. But that's okay. We're going to make it do what it do. So with the Dawn coupon, you are able to get this. However, for me, I'm always going for a lower out of pocket. So I didn't get the big one. You can, but the digital is $2 off of one, which will mean you're paying $3 for that. No, I think it's $3 or $2. I'm not sure, y'all. Please forgive me because I didn't plan on recording, so like I don't have my iPad or anything like that. But it's a digital, and I think it's $2, but it doesn't make that super cheap. Now there's a blue one, a taller light blue one that's $3, and then there's this little one that's $3. Now if you have more than one account and people will let you use their account, you can mix and match. I definitely suggest mixing and matching, especially if you save. So you can get either one of these. It's either this one or the light blue one. As a matter of fact, let's see if I have it in my bag, because I know I bought one. I think I bought the last light blue one, to be honest with you. I don't want to tear these bags, guys, so I'll probably show you when I get home, like insert a picture at the end of it to let you see what it looks like. But you can't go wrong. It's actually this color. It's this one right here, but the squeezy one. So that one's $3. I would suggest getting one of either that one or that one, because there's a $2 or $3 digital that is attaching to it, which makes it fairly cheap. All right, so let me go show y'all what else I got. Now, I do want to get on here and let y'all know I appreciate y'all following me and subscribing, but you don't have to. If you want to get in the comment section and critique, like you have a whole bunch of followers and that you got a whole bunch of knowledge more than the other person, that's not what we're here for. On this channel, I show you how I coupon. I'll show you couponing from my eyes, not yours. So I want to get that clear. You don't have to subscribe. I appreciate you if you do. But if you want to get on subscribe and try to message me and you know, go crazy stalking me on all social media platforms, telling me I'm wrong. Go find a life and find you something to do, because I am really like that, okay? I'm really like that. Again, we all here to learn from each other. We're all here to get products at a low price, and we're all here to take care of our households. We're not here for the bashing, and we're not here to be extra and mistreat and talk about one another. If it's something that I'm not doing that you don't like, totally fine. Keep it to yourself and make note for you not to do it. That's just my little disclaimer. And again, some of my trips are not going to be planned out. Why? Because I don't have the time. You may have the time because you may be a stay-at-home mama. Fortunately, I'm not. So I do apologize if I skip and go over aisle by aisle and I'm not organized as one would want me to be, okay? So now we're going to grab one of these. There's a $2 digital attaching to the Suavitel. I believe that's how you say it. If I'm saying it wrong, I apologize. Does not work on this. I tried it. Does not work. You have to get one of these. Preferably the skinnier ones and not the bigger one, because the bigger one costs more. But there's these. Pay attention, because again, every store is different, but at my store they have some for $5, $10, and some for $4. Some may be lower than that. So I would just get the app. The app is really good and updated and tell you what's going on, and then scan each one of them to see which one you want to grab. I personally grab one of each, to be honest with you. I do know this yellow and this purple one is $4, which is making that 2. So do what you do, get which one you feel like smells better, whichever one you and your household want, or you and your customers, okay? So now the next thing I grabbed, let's get on over here. All right, so the next thing I grabbed was these body armor juices. Now, I know either last week or the week before, there was a really good deal on the Powerades where it was like 3 off of 3 type of thing. And I actually think it's still active, but I think there was a coupon last week to go with a 3 off of 3 deal, which makes it really, really cheap or free out of pocket. I actually missed that deal and I was so mad because I prefer Powerades over these. But this week, these are 3 for 3. There's a $3 digital in the app. These are priced at $165 a piece. And then you have the different ones to choose from, different flavors. So you can get whatever you want in sets of 3. If you have multiple accounts, you have to get them in sets of 3. Have to. If I'm not mistaken, I think if you do just the 3 juices by itself, it should be like $1.82 or $1 and some change if you do the juices by themselves. Of course, if you mix it with the other stuff I'm grabbing, it'll be a little more, but that's not bad for 3 juices. So make sure you grab those. Again, I think the Powerades this size is still 3 for 3, but that coupon is no longer in the app. But the 3 for 3 coupon is an app for these. Okay. So now we are going to go and grab some lotion and some body wash. And always remember too to check your end caps for stuff if it's not on the aisle. I did check all of these end caps and unfortunately I still could not find no gain. But you may get lucky at your store. I have no idea why that floor looks like this, but whatever. Okay, so again, on my sister's account, there was a $2 digital still attaching to this size. I'm sure it works on the big one, but again, I wanted to get the smaller size to make my out-of-pocket lower. I do know last week, because I didn't get the coupon as much last week, that sensitive skin one was free, is what it looked like, what I've seen on other people's posts. But again, I didn't have time to come in the store. So if you find that big one, the sensitive skin, grab it, because that's a good deal. But if not, the little ones in every scent is working. The $2 digital is working. Okay, So the last thing I got was Suave body wash. As you can see, you have options. You can get the big ones or the little ones, but the little ones are actually on sale this week. So you see that the price is $3.35, but they're on sale for $2.45. And then there's a dollar digital that is attaching to them, so that's pretty good. Now, I'm sure you can get the deodorant because it says Suave item, any Suave item. I just didn't need any of that. I preferred the body wash over the deodorant. So in essence, I got 3 juices, a body wash, Febreze, a fabric softener, and a Dawn if it was on the right transaction. And all of the transactions were like $5 to $6. Now, one of them was 10, and it's because I got some additional items, but it's still a good deal in my opinion. And then if you come tomorrow on Saturday, you can get a little bit more items, really just 1 or 2 more items, especially on the transactions where I paid $10. You can add like 1 or 2 more items and then get that additional 5 off, and whatever else you get, just make sure it has a coupon attached. Now the transactions that I did that I was like $5 and $6, you have a few more items to add, but my total was almost 25 with those items. So I hope this was helpful. Of course, follow me on TikTok so you can see the actual breakdowns, and I will post my receipts and how I did each transaction at the end of this video. Bye.